These are the recommended tools: a 3/32 T-handle, a 3/32 Allen wrench, and a foam-tipped swab. Remove the two screws securing the camera mounting bracket with a 3/32 T-handle. When sliding the unit out of the MDX, take caution. There are two camera trigger sensors on top that will break off if you remove the bracket without care. Unplug the 3 wire harnesses from the bottom of the camera. Use your 3/32 T-handle and the smaller 3/32 Allen wrench to remove the screws securing the camera. Take this opportunity to clean the camera trigger sensors and the LED board with the foam-tipped swab. Secure the new camera with the 3/32 screws removed previously. Plug the wire harnesses back into their proper ports and carefully slide the unit back into the MDX. There is a guide pin on the other side of the MDX. Once the pin is set, you can now screw the bracket back into place. Make sure that none of the wires are pinched by the bracket. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.